This conference will now be recorded.
Budgeting module, let us focus. Okay, so what is this budgeting? Anyone has any idea? What is this budgeting? Any guesses, any experience you have? Anything, at least small words. Budgeting means, if you are married, you will have budget every month. If you're otherwise, your father, your mother may have plans. Am I right? Budget. What do you mean by budgeting in day-to-day life?
Planning of financials.
Okay, financials.
Estimated allocation of funds in the future.
Yes, the estimation of funds. So based on your income, you need to plan your expenditure. Based on your income, you are having to have plan for expenditure. Suppose 15 years, 10 years back, you are getting 10,000 rupees, Indian rupees. Then your expenditure may be 8,000 or 6,000, 7,000, 8,000 or 9,000. Nowadays, you are earning, suppose 50,000. Then your expenditure may be 40,000 or 45,000. Based on your income, the expected income, you will plan your expenditure. So majorly the expenses you are planning in a proper manner. That is budgeting. Okay, so let me show you the application, and I will show you the existing one example, one existing one. Suppose we are going to USMF company. So budgeting. So first I will show you the results, end results, then I will explain you the setups. So this is already posted some transactions for budget register entry. Okay, 601220. What I will do, I will create a new ledger account and then I will verify. So give me a second. Budget control configurations. This is one of the important topic, budget control configurations. So here, assign budget models and then budget control rules. In this, between 601-200 to 601-400. For these accounts, it will be budget will be enabled between 601-200 to 601-400. Okay, so what I will do, I will create a new account so that it will be easy for you to understand. Because already existing one, if I am showing, it will be confusion to your mind. Simplest way, let me show you. So general ledger. General ledger. Main accounts, general ledger, main accounts. Chart of accounts. Accounts, main accounts. Okay, 601 star. Okay, so 601 200, 601 220, like this it is there. 601 240 I'm creating. Six zero one 240. some expenses, something. It is expenses I'm mapping. Okay, 601,400. So for this 601,400 expenses, I'm planning some expenditure for this year. Select model for 2022. Original budget. I'm selecting. There are types of budget: revision budget, carry forward budget, transfer budget, original budget. So I'm selecting original budget. Click on add line. So whatever the account you have created, 601,240, for that account I'm doing 601,240. For that account I'm entering suppose you have entered $8,000. Okay, it is in the draft mode. Look at this one, green circle checkbox should be enabled. If it is enabled means green circle checkbox is coming means this budget control is active and turn on. Budget control is turned on. Read the message, not look at this one. Okay, the budget control is turned on and it is activated, then only this green circle checkbox will come into the picture. Green circle checkbox will come into the picture. Now for this account 601,240, I'm executing this balance. It is in the draft mode. I'm posting like update budget balances. Click OK, update. Then it is updating to balances. It was completed. Earlier it is draft mode. Now it was completed. So now you can verify the report. Okay, here budget balances are actual versus budget. So it is showing the budget amount 8,000. Okay, now I am posting one transaction. General journal entries. 601,400. I'm posting 12,000. That will allow me to post. Can I?
No. Budget is 8,000 only. 8,000 only.
Budget is 8,000. I'm trying to post 12,000. What happens? Let me see. It is operation cancelled. Validating and posting journal. The transaction exceeds the budget funds available for this 601,200. 12,000. Why it is 12,000? This is completely wrong. Give me a minute. It is 22. It should show 4,000. Give me a minute. By 12,000 is wrong. Okay, give me a minute. This is completely wrong. Let me click on validate. Validate. This should show 4,000, but this is maybe a bug. Okay, 601 400. Sorry, this is 601 240. That is my mistake. That's what I'm verifying. Okay, 601 240. Now let me try. Once again, let me try to post. Now it will show you it is exceeded 4,000. Exceeded 4,000. Got it? How it is calculating? The budget amount is you have configured for this 601 240 8,000, but it is only 8,000 will be allowed. Suppose 8,500 I'm entering. 8,400 500 I'm entering. Whether it will allow me? It will allow me or not?
No, it will not allow.
Not
So
allowed.
what is the error message I'm going to get it?
500 exceed.
500.
500 exceeds. Even validate also the same thing. Am I fine? Suppose I'm entering 500 or 300 I'm posting. What happens? It will allow me to post?
It will get
Yes.
posted.
It will allow. Let me post 300. So it is posting, got created, posted. Now if you go to the budget register entries, if you go to related information, actual versus budgets, it will show you 8,000 is the amount, actual amount 300 you have posted, remaining amount 7,700. Okay, now I'm trying to post one more transaction. One more transaction. Go to lines. I'm posting to 601 240, the same account. Suppose I'm posting 7,999. Whether it will allow me to post less than 8,000?
No, it will not allow as my budget balance is only 7,700.
Because even though budget register entry 8,000, we have used already 3,300. We have used already 300. So how system is calculating? Now tell me. Actual budget, like available budget is equal to original budget minus actual expenditure. Agree? System is calculating. This is 8,000 you have entered and you have already used 300. So available budget is 7,700. So the amount should be below this one. Agree? Everyone?
Yes.
That's what system is throwing error message. So up to 7,700 only it will allow. You are crossing 7,700 like amount 299 over budget. That is the reason it is throwing error message. Suppose 400 I have posted. I'm posting 400 only. Posted. So 300, earlier 300 posted, now 400 posted. Am I right? Is it correct? Any confusion? Now, if I am trying to post 7,350, suppose same 601, 240, 7,450 I'm posting. Whether it will allow me? Is it allows?
No.
What is the error message?
150 budget exceeding.
Exceed $150. So system is calculating the original budget entry minus actual expenditure. Agree? Agree? It is
Yeah.
calculating. So that where it is available means in the budget control configuration, if you go to budget funds available, if you click on create, it is formula available budget funds available equal to original budget minus actual expenditure. Understood? This is the formula it is executing already. Budget funds available. Okay. So actually there is a network issue in between from 1 or 2 minutes, and that is the reason I think you are not able to hear my voice. Am I right? Let me proceed. Is it clear now till now? Okay, fine. Can you unmute please? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Original budget. Original budget means the amounts whatever you are configuring in the very first week of financial year, that is original budget. There is one more, revision budget. Revision budget. Okay, revision budget. In this revision budget, what exactly the benefit is? Suppose in 2020, the pandemic situations. So I'm running my business from 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020. So April to March is a financial year. So like from last 3 years, my business is suppose 20 crores. My business is 20 crores. From that, I'm getting 40 lakhs as a profit, net profit, 40 lakhs. So I have planned 25 lakhs as budget expenditure. 25 lakhs expenditure. This is total revenue and total gross profit, and this is expenditure I planned so that I can have 15 lakhs profit. Net profit 15 lakhs. Just I'm telling you for example purpose only. Okay. Now all of the sudden the business like 3 months shut down. So my business is shut down for 3 months without anything, pandemic situations. Then what I have to do? I don't have alternative. I need to decrease this expenditure. So planned expenditure is for the entire year, it is 25 lakhs. Now I need to decrease this one to 20 lakhs. Then I need to update minus 5 lakhs. Agree with me? So earlier it is suppose 600 120, it is 25,000. 601 300, it is 1,75,000. 601 400 something, it is 200k, 2 lakhs, like this it is there. So the total amount, it is 25 lakhs. Now I want to decrease 5 lakhs. Then I will make this is minus 5,000. This is minus 25,000. Minus 25,000. Here, suppose I am decreasing 50,000. So that at the end, minus 5 lakhs it is posting. Suppose I am running my business is cloth business, or something like I am purchasing and selling fans, electrical fans, electrical items I am purchasing and selling. Then I need to decrease this one. So this is called revision budget. Revision budget means it does not mean like always it is decreasing, sometimes it is increasing. Example, the same situation, pandemic situation, my business is medicines. My business is medicines. Earlier it is 20 crores, all of the sudden my business is increased to 35 crores. Then earlier it is 40 lakhs, now the expected result 80 lakhs is a net profit, gross profit. Then I can increase to 45 lakhs. Then I'm increasing expenditure from 25 lakhs to 45 lakhs. Then I will increase here. I will increase here. I will increase here. It may be 5 lakhs. total 20 lakhs I want to increase. So revision budget means you are maybe increasing, you are maybe decreasing. That is the total amount you are increasing or decreasing in between as per your requirement. It is not only pandemic situations. Suppose your competitor shut down your business. Not your business, their business. I mean to say, your competitor is there. They have shut down their business because suddenly something happened in their family. They have shut down their business, or something they are not able to proceed business. They want to stop. Then all of a sudden your business is increasing. Then your business is increasing means your expenditure also should be increased. Then it is revision budget. Revision budget means the overall total budget amount may be increased, may be decreased. Understood? Anyone please unmute? Are you clear about this revision budget? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Revision budget means it may be increasing, it may be decreasing. You are adding that one. So in this case, you can click on here the original budget here plus revision budget. Budget funds available means original budget plus revision budget minus actual expenditure is the budget funds available. Okay, fine. Revision budget is clear. Next, transfer budget. Understand? Transfer budget. I'm sorry, there is once again network issue from last 1 minute. So I think you are able to hear me now. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Fine. Now here transfer budget means you are increasing, you are decreasing 25,000 from here and you are increasing 25,000 here. Means internal adjustments. This I am decreasing this expenditure. I am making 1,50,000 This is 2,25,000. But overall budget is same, 25 lakhs only, no change. Got it? Overall, no change, 25 lakhs. But you are transferring between the accounts. That is transfer budget. So you can use that one also, budget transfer. Original budget plus budget revision plus budget transfers minus actual expenditure. Understood? Any confusion? These three words. So original budget, revision budget, transfer budget. Simply any budget plus or minus amounts, but the intention of the functionality inside it is different. Anyhow, it is calculations plus or minus only everywhere, but it will showcase clearly like what is the original budget, what is the revision budget, what is the transfer budget in the system clearly if you map it. Got it? Any doubts? So here you can see that one in the reports. If you click on I think it is in budget balances only. So original budget, revision budget, and then accumulated depreciation, accumulated expenditure, accumulated revision budget, and what is the percentage. Understood? So you can see different columns in the reports. For that we are using this one. That's it. Got it? For your clarity purpose we are doing. Different reports can be generated if you are going to use that one. Okay, you are going to learn all those things. So you are now clear about original budget, revision budget, transfer budget, and minus actual expenditure. Clear? Am I right? Next, one more, preliminary budget. Preliminary budget means, suppose today it is April 2nd, but budget is not confirmed. Budget is not confirmed means some finance department is like one finance department is asking 20 lakhs and sales department asking 15 lakhs, purchase department is asking 15 lakhs, and some other HR department is asking 10 lakhs, total 60 lakhs. But CEO is allocating only 50 lakhs. CEO or CFO is telling like 50 lakhs. So there is a discussions going on. Every department you need to decrease your expenditure. That discussion is happening. Now it was not finalized in the month of March 31st. It was not finalized. Now April 1st, we are not clear the budget amount. Now if you are posting any transaction, it will not allow you post a transaction. Then temporarily I can allocate 10 lakhs for each department, for each expenditure. Later I will verify and will add remaining budget. That is preliminary budget. Understood? Clear? Any doubt in this? Preliminary budget.
Yes.
So we can add that one also. Original budget, preliminary budget, budget revisions, budget transfer. Preliminary budget means, if you remember, in 2014, if you follow like central government budget in 2014 and 2013 2014, so in 2014, UPA government has declared only for 4 months. April, May, June, July. So once that is preliminary budget is declared by UPA government, the earlier government. Once new government, NDA government formed, at that time in the month of June, they have declared for the remaining 8 months what is the budget amount. That is preliminary budget. That is preliminary budget. Okay. Next, carry forward budget. This carry forward budget will be used a lot in long running projects. Take the example L&T. Take the example L&T. This L&T, they are constructing a flyover. It will not finish in 1 year. It may take 3 years. L&T is constructing, it is 3 years. Okay. Then carry forward budget means this year I have allocated, like suppose the budget is 5 crores. The total flyover construction, it is 5 crores or 15 crores. 15 crores is the budget. Now first year 3 crores, first year 5 crores, next year 5 crores, next year 5 crores. So initially first year it was not completed 5 crores, only it was used 3 crores. So remaining 2 crores I can transfer to next year so that I can utilize in the next year. Agree?
Yes, sir.
That is carry forward budget. Actually everything is amounts plus or minus only. For naming convention, for internal purpose, it is used the naming convention carry forward budget, preliminary budget, transfer budget, original budget, revision budget. Only everything is plus or minus, that's it. So wordings are different. Wordings are different. So if you want, you can click on include carry forward budgets. Okay, so we'll discuss this one carry forward budget later. So now you are understood about original budget, preliminary budget, budget revision, budget transfer, and then carry forward. Okay, and here we need to understand some check boxes. Little bit complex, but it is simple only. But try to understand. There are 5 check boxes. Except this actual expenditure, there are 5 check boxes. One is unposted actual expenditure, budget revision for encumbrances, budget revision for unconfirmed encumbrances, reduction to budget revision for budget reservation for unconfirmed encumbrances, budget revision for pre-encumbrances, budget revision for unconfirmed pre-encumbrances. Let me write down this one. So the last one I'm writing, the last one, budget reservations for unconfirmed encumbrances. Budget reservations for unconfirmed pre-encumbrance. The last one, budget revisions for unconfirmed pre-encumbrance. Okay, the purchase order process, purchase order creation in draft mode, purchase order approved status, purchase order confirmed status. Before this one, purchase requisition creation, and purchase requisition confirmed. This is sales process. Purchase requisition create, purchase request confirmation, purchase order creation in draft, purchase order approved and confirmed. This is purchase order process. It is detailed explanation will be covered in T&L. Now, this last checkbox, budget reservations for unconfirmed pre-encumbrances, is to verify this one. Budget funds availability to verify. One second. This one, not this one. Here, second line. At the time of purchase order creation, system will verify whether the budget funds are available. That is this checkbox. Understood? Any confusion? So, for public sector, for government sectors, for semi-government sectors, it is mandatory whenever you are creating a purchase request. Whenever you are creating a purchase request, it is mandatory you need to enable. This should be enabled. For budget, I mean to say public sector companies. So this carry forward budget will be used for, this one is public sector companies. Or government organizations or semi-government. Public sector companies means L&T, Reliance, Adani. There are so many groups. That is public sector. Government means, you know, like the direct government organizations. Semi-government means, anyone example? Anyone has any example? Semi-government means perfect examples. Semi-government.
LIC.
Which one?
LIC of India, sir.
LIC of India. Okay, that is fine. Good. Any other examples? Little bit more realistic. Road transportation. RTC. Road transportation. Each and every state will have road transportation. RTC, that is semi-government. LIC also semi-government. Agree. Government means direct government. For these organizations, whenever they are creating a purchase requisition, at that time budget funds should be available, then only they will purchase the material. That is, here at the time of purchase requisition creation, budget reservations for unconfirmed pre-encumbrance means budget will be checked at that time. Next one is budget reservation for pre-encumbrances. So at this stage, at the time of purchase requisition confirmation, it will validate the budget funds. That is budget reservations for pre-encumbrance. Next, but reduction to budget reservations for unconfirmed encumbrances. Reduction to budget reservations for unconfirmed encumbrance. This is pre-encumbrance. Pre-encumbrance means purchase requisitions. And now purchase order. Purchase order created in the draft mode means reduction to budget reservations for unconfirmed encumbrance. This checkbox. Next one is at the time of approved. This one, budget reservations for unconfirmed encumbrances. Budget reservations for unconfirmed encumbrances at the time of approved status, it will be validated. Now, next step, at the time of purchase order confirmation, this is budget reservations for encumbrances. Okay, so this will be applicable for public sector companies, government companies, semi-government companies. Only will be used. Understood? Any doubt in this? So you need to understand one by one checkbox. If you read this checkbox, you cannot remember. You need to remember this is for purchase requisition creation. This is for purchase requisition confirmation. This is for purchase order creation in the draft mode. This is for purchase order approved status. This is purchase order confirmed status. In each stage, like budget will be verified, validated. If it is not, funds are not available, it will stop. You cannot post a transaction. You cannot create a transaction also. Forget about the postings. You cannot create if the funds are not available. That is this one. Okay, so I'm showing you one dangerous checkbox. One dangerous checkbox. Okay, please look at this one. One small checkbox I'm showing you. General ledger. General ledger. Collapse all. Ledger setup. General ledger parameters. Okay, use posting definitions. If you enable this checkbox, one pop-up message is coming. Can anyone read, please? Anyone read?
Yes. If you select this checkbox, posting profiles are no longer used when you post a transaction that uses a type in the transaction posting definition form. Also, all posting definitions become active. Are you sure you want to continue?
So from this one, what is the highlight? Can you read this one?
No longer used when you post the transaction.
Posting profiles are no longer used. What are the posting profiles you learned? Where it is posting?
Profiles,
Vendor
customer posting profile.
profile, customer posting profile,
Vendor posting profiles, customer posting profiles, and inventory postings are available in the inventory management posting.
fixed asset posting profiles.
Everything will be no longer used. Then what happens? Then transaction will not be posted. Am I right? Transaction will not be posted. So in place of this one, transaction posting definition form will be used. What is this transaction posting profile? Till now I have not explained, am I right? Transaction posting definitions form. I'm not enabling. Okay. Transaction posting definition means here general ledger, collapse all, posting setup, transaction posting definitions. This will come into the picture. So purchase requisition, purchase order year-end close, these buttons will be enabled. Accounts payable budget postings, accounts receivable postings, and then bank postings related, and then budget postings, and payroll. Of course, payroll we are not learning, leave it. So that button will be disabled and postings from here. In this posting, transaction posting definitions, we have posting definition. You can click on here. The ledger accounts are mapped here. Based on this setup, it will be posted if you enable this checkbox. So this is public sector company related. Semi-governments, governments, and private companies also, like L&T and service oriented companies, they will enable this checkbox. If it is enabled, then normal posting definitions will be stopped, and the posting definitions, whatever you have configured here in this, whatever you have configured, this will be enabled. Transaction posting definitions, and here you can have posting definitions also. Here we are mapping the ledger accounts. This is posting definitions. Okay, don't worry on this one. Just you need to have precaution what is going on. So you need to verify. This is not a simple checkbox. This is application is redesigned if you enable this checkbox. If you enable this checkbox, application will be redesigned, and if you enable this checkbox, then here there are checkboxes. Actually, some transactions are there in between. I cannot enable. That is the reason it is throwing warning message. No issues. Okay, here it is checkboxes. If it is enabled, you can enable this one. Enable encumbrance process. Enable pre-encumbrance process. General ledger, general budget reservations. Then enable budget appropriation. Okay, understood? Anyhow, I have worked a lot in support cases, support tickets, but not implementation. I have not worked. So from last 15 years, 13 to 14 years, I'm working in Dynamics F&O. Total 20 plus years of experience. Total I have. I never got chance to work with this feature as implementation consultant. Support consultant, yes, I did it for support, but implementation I did not get. So don't worry on that one. For your understanding purpose, you should know about this checkbox. Clear, everyone? So if it is enabled, it is must. You need to enable these checkboxes. Minimum some checkboxes you need to enable. In case if it is enabled, if it is not enabled, then this is optional. Whether you want to use it or not, your wish. But if it is enabled, this one forcefully, it will work. You need to enable wherever you want. Understood? Any questions in this area? Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Okay, fine. So we understood about this one. Now let me go back to the budget control configuration. Budget, we understood preliminary budget, we understood budget. We have created but not posted. Then it is draft. Budget transfer in, budget transfer out means in means plus, in means plus, out means minus. If you want, you can enable. Here, we already learned all these things. Now, unposted actual transactions means create that also. So or not. Unposted calculate. So starting point you have learned. We want, you can define your own. Selecting carry forward budget, it is automatically including this unposted transaction. Now, hello, am I audible? Anyone?
No, yes, sir.
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Sorry, there is a network issue once again. So this Airtel has sometimes a lot of problems. Okay, fine. So we need to select carry forward budget like actual budgets versus carry forward budgets. I mean to say, whether if it is a public environment, carry forward budget should be enabled. Otherwise, we can use it or you can skip it if you don't want. Okay. So this today we have learned about budget funds available. I will recap tomorrow this one, and then I will explain you all this one by one checkbox, like one by one tabs in the budget control configuration, and we'll proceed. Okay, try to go through video recording session once again. Okay, once again try to go through video recording sessions, and if you have any doubts, please discuss tomorrow. I will explain you, I will recap this one, and I will continue this one about budget control configuration, maybe completed by tomorrow, but I need to explain some more details. I will discuss with you on tomorrow, day after tomorrow also. So another 2 days it will take for budgeting. Okay, some regarding dimensions I need to explain you a lot regarding dimensions. Okay, we'll discuss continuation tomorrow. I'm stopping here for today. Anyone has any questions, please unmute and you can ask me. If not, we can wind up the session for today. Okay, then we'll connect once again tomorrow. See you all. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.